Sir, my next question is about the nature of the aspects of subject. I have experienced that all the subjects are taught in the same way as the science subjects are taught in the same way as art subjects. So, what is your opinion about this?
In our areas,
Yes, in our areas, especially in Asian
in
areas.
Asian areas, Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia, Bengal. So these are the countries where all the subjects usually are being taught in the same way. In my opinion, science subjects are practical in nature. So there must be science labs. The student must spend their time in the labs working with the instruments, and they should perform experiment. So through the process of experimentation they should learn the science subjects. But in our areas we are teaching the students physics, biology. We are teaching these subjects through lecture method. Lecture method is very suitable for the literature, Urdu, Arabic, English, Persian, Hindi, for these subjects, and even the subjects of arts like civics, like sociology, and even the subject of education can be taught in a well way through the lecture method. But the science subject must be practical. So we should establish big laboratories. The government must spend a lot of money for the same purpose, and they should specify a lot of funds for the same purpose. And if the students are performing, for example, if they are learning how to make oxygen, they should make oxygen. If they are reading or learning about microscope, they should observe the things through microscope. Only then they can be able to become good scientists. In our areas, after the teaching of sciences and after the study of sciences, we are producing only the students, teachers, and we can say the lab technicians, etc. We can't produce the scientists. In order to produce scientists, we must be practical, and in our schools and colleges there should be a large number of laboratories, and there must be necessary equipment for the better performance of experiments of the students. So it is the key difference, and it is the main difference in between both.